Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to take you the chocolate outlets in the Belgium, and I think everybody has known that Belgium is basically famous for its chocolates. In Belgium, in all villages you will find out that there is a chocolate outlet. And also in Belgium you will find that the chocolate museum, and there are different brands of the chocolates are available, and Leonardo's, which I know and which is my favorite, one of the chocolate brand, I can say that. So we came inside the chocolate outlet, and now here you can see that there is a gift as a wrapped for the chocolate, and that you can gift to someone. Because Christmas is around corner, so for the Christmas, so they have decorated some chocolates basically for the Christmas. So now you can see that there are colorful chocolates, and that is wrapped with the colorful wrapper. So now we have packed here some selected chocolates. Now we will take, but chocolates are very expensive, so we decided to, okay, let's go to factory and bring some chocolates from the factory. I'm tasting here the chocolates. If it's good, then we decided to take. So almost all the chocolates were very tasty, rather than one that I didn't find it is very good. But really, I will say that why Belgium chocolates is very famous, because of its quality that is not available in the different parts of the country, and because you know that the chocolate fame has started in 17th century, but the fame means increases in 19th century, because European nation has started colonial in African country, and there they found coca, that is a very qualitative good coca, and they started molding in European nation, and Belgium was the first country to introduce the chocolate in finest quality. So that's why Belgium has famous for its chocolate. And during this time in 19th century, so industrialization there, so they have started some machine, and machine has started building some finest dough for the chocolate. So that's why Belgium is famous for its chocolate, so I think. And the chocolate is very tasty, as you can see that, not see, but yeah, chocolate is very tasty as I tasted. So yeah, now we have paid, and I'm keeping the video over here. If you like